Okay, there you go. Okay, and then you want me to say what, like, as a mathematics teacher?
Sorry.
So I can say, I'm trying to remember what I said before. Yeah, basically, like I said before, just basically getting math, period. You just need to know the basics. Just know your basic math and the formulas, and then the steps, the proper steps, you will get through math. Definitely, even when it's time to get into, when it's time to get into the next unit, most of my students, like I said, my students are very smart. So most of my students, they already be knowing the topic because of the ALEKS platform we use. So sometimes the ALEKS platform be a little bit higher than I am in a unit. So that's why my students be knowing things ahead of time. But math, you need math because you even need math in the real world. Even if a student or anybody does not want to be a teacher, to even count your paychecks, when you get paid, you need math. You need to know how to count. You need to know how to do all these things dealing with math in the real world.
Thank you. Can you just tell what would be the evening program at Rodeo, and what is Rodeo basically?
Tutorials?
Yeah. You will be going to Rodeo, right?
Oh yes, I'll be going to the
Can you
rodeo.
just say, what is attracting you there at Rodeo?
So I'm going to the rodeo because they always have an annual like cook-off. So I'm going to the second cook-off, which would be today. It started yesterday, and I believe the third one ends tomorrow. And I would just be going there for the cook-off to enjoy food at different tents, and really to enjoy the carnival part too also.
Thank you. You grew up in Houston, right?
Yes.
Can you just tell about your family, your parents, what they were doing, and your siblings, something?
So my mom, she's not technically, yes, my mom is a teacher, but she's not like a teacher. She worked for a daycare. So she do have to teach the kids there at the daycare, but so technically my mom is a teacher. My brother, he works at a warehouse, and then right now my little brother just graduated from college. So he just waiting to start his first semester in no, he just graduated high school. So he just waiting to waiting to start his first semester in college.
So which college you went to study your mathematics?
Sam Houston.
Sam Houston?
Yes.
Oh, okay. You were a day scholar there, or you were staying?
I was staying out there.
Staying out.
Yeah. So when I was when I was going to Sam Houston, I stayed on campus.
Okay. Can you tell something about Houston? What is how was your life in Houston? Did you go any other places in America or outside?
So I have not gone anywhere, and that's my goal this year, is to travel, so I can explore around the world. So that is my goal. I haven't been nowhere outside of Texas, but I have been outside of Houston, but it was still Texas. And the only two places that I visit was Dallas and Austin and San Antonio.
Oh, you make travel to California, Chicago?
Yes, so I do want to travel to California. I actually do want to visit Chicago. I want to visit New York.
Right.
Yeah, so I do want to actually travel like all over.
Yes. Thank you so much.
You're
Have
welcome.
a nice evening.
You too.